How to fix cannot change app store country or region on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to change So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such issue on your iPhone where you simply cannot change your app store country region, so in that case what you might want to do is just head over to your settings and click on your profile icon, that is iCloud account, and just click on this sign in and security option over here and simply verify it with your passcode. So simply tap on change password over here. So before that, just try using logging in with your passcode or your face, and once you are inside here, finally just change your password and it might fix your issue. So if it's not fixing your issue, just come back over here and simply click on payment and shipping and disable any options over here if you have enabled it. And you can also try canceling all of the subscriptions if you have available there. And once you do all of that, just come back to your settings once again and simply scroll all the way down until you see the option called screen time. Just tap on this and now select content and privacy restriction. So what you need to do is, so simply scroll all the way down and make sure you have allowed this account changes option over here. As you can see, it has been allowed over here. So just come back once you do that. So if it's still not fixing your issue, then the last thing what you want to do is just come back to your browser, any of your browser, and simply search in for getsupport.apple.com, and here you should land on this page. Now simply now select your device's problem over here. So basically just click on more, and since we are facing problem on our app store, just tap on this and just click on continue, and you should be providing your problem to them regarding your problem by describing everything over here, choosing the article. You can also try to schedule a repair if there's no fix is available, or you can also try contacting the Apple support, and this will help in fixing your issue once and for all. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.